My escape from the Nazi prison could be entitled "The enemy of my enemy is my friend."
So, how are you, чувак? Alright? Oh, you are tough, huh? No wonder they made you a ranger. Follow me, don't stop.
Fortune has smiled.
Security, make way!
Our scouts have located a real treasure trove in legendary D6 bunker complex. Huge storage facilities filled with supplies. There is medicine and enough canned food to sustain the Reich for 100 years. And enough weapons for us to wipe the freaks and genetically impure from the face of the earth. But D6 has been seized and occupied by Sparta. Corrupt Hansa and the greedy rest. What do you want? A jailbreak! Two prisoners have murdered the guards and escaped! What the hell are you doing here then? Go get them! Get these swine! Guys!
Over here! Hurry, Artyom!
Take him alive! Stop shooting!
Jump! Hands up, you fuck! Crawl through here! Crawl through here! Shit! You right? Hold on, Artyom, hold on! There you have it, suka! On the ground, you bitch! I surrender! Do not shoot! Hold on, Artyom, hold on, just a little more!
After them, now! Catch them!
Bastards, блин, they're opening the gate! Drop them! I see them! There they are! Piece of... Stop them! Stop! Capture them!
We pulled off the impossible. Now I have to inform the Order that the Dark One is missing, which means to acknowledge that I've failed my mission. But now, when he's down in the metro, I won't be able to find him alone. I have to get to the nearest neutral station and then to Polis, the Order's HQ. Pavel will show me the way.
What? Okay, looks like we lost them. Then we'd better hurry to the theater. There's nowhere else to go, huh? Chuvak. Are you alright, Chuvak? That's great. The armor works wonders. Shit! A dead end. Hold on! Whew. End of the line, huh? Well, there's no helping it. Поехали, we hoof it from here. Follow me. Okay, don't remember seeing this tunnel on any map. Whew, we're still on Reich territory. Be careful. Опа! A pipe! Come here, Artyom! Right! Okay. Wait here while I look around.
Hey! A spy! Grab him! Real fucking ninja. Let's take him to the guard post.
And what if this fuck is not alone?
Attention, second guard post. Check your sector of the tunnel. We caught a rat in the vents here. Stay sharp. There might be more. Roger. Checking that. Over.
Shoot coming on sight! Circle it if enemies are coming!
What?
Pavel's almost certainly going to hang. Who knows what would have happened to me had he not released me? Red, blue, yellow, what difference does that make? He risked his life for me. You don't get that much in the metro. I can't just walk away on him.
to him? Shit! I knew you wouldn't abandon me. I knew it. You're a true comrade. I'm in your debt for life. Now get me out of here and I'll lead you home in no time. Fuck! Fuck, they're coming for me! Gonna take me to the noose! Good luck, my friend! You're my only hope now!
Come on, get your ass out here, you fucking commie rat.
If your brother was born a freak and your mother seems alright, you know what that means. What? That either you are a freak too, or your mother's a whore. You... Come on, say my mother is a whore. Say it, you shit. Or else you are a freak. If your mother delivers freaks. No! No!
Fires with acid claws and freezing my nuts off here. Go.
No! No!
Alarm! Alarm! They're coming!
Attention! Hold your ground!
Now, Comey, you're done for! Comey, you're done for! Casualty!
Attention, we're still on alert. The intruders are still at large. Remain vigilant. All suspicious persons are to be shot on sight. Watch in half an hour.
Did you hear that? We're still on alert. You could at least have your gun at the ready. I've got my gun in my pants. Hey, while you left yours at the whorehouse. Yeah, that gun of yours is going to be so much fucking help when the Reds come for your...
Alarm! Dead! He'll call me!
casualty!
Now come here, you're done for! Bobby, alive! We've got to go. Isn't going anywhere.
Trial of the captured spy from the Red Line is started. All rank citizens free from their duties are encouraged to attend.
So, are you going to watch? They say he's going to hang.
I've seen enough executions. Though I should think my son has seen it. He keeps misbehaving at school. I'll show him what the way of the whole secret.
Send him to dig tunnels.
In your dreams, the noose is already there.
What good is watching a guy hang anyway, huh? Jiggling with piss flowing down his legs. What happens?
It's good for morale. And it tightens this cold. Fuck that guy. Let's play cards. A bullet to hand.
Now come here, you're done for!
I'm gonna get you for this.
Looks like this. Kitchen was cool. Hey, who's there? The hell was that? It seems like someone was just... Shit! I'm hit! Shit! I'm hit! Have one of these!
Вставай, проклятье заклеменный, и рабочий работ.
Trial of the captured spies of the Red Line is started. Free from their duties are lured to attend.
In the name of the great light, you have been found guilty of espionage. Given the severity of your criminal activities in the Communist invasion, this court has sentenced you to death by hanging.
Fuck you, Fritz! Oh, death to the Nazis! Our day will come. Remember! Let's move! It's gonna be another Stalingrad around here!
I dragged Pavel out of the noose, and he says he's going to take me as close to Polis as possible. Then I'll contact the Order and report on everything that has happened. The path to the legendary theater lies through the catacombs. I've never been here before, and without my new friend, I'd probably be completely lost. I hope he knows the way.
That's the way to do it, bro! Just like the Three Musketeers, if there were two of them. You ever read the book? Really confusing, but I fucking love it. Always wanted to be Athos. You can be D'Artagnan, huh? Alright, we're short on time. We go to theater from here, then you off to police, I head back home to the Red Line, okay? I don't like how they gave up the chase and locked the gate behind us. Not a good sign. Shit!
Fifth, come in. Andre. Fifth here. Got the light in that gun. They are dead now. Got that?
Dead meat! Ё-моё! What the hell? Oh, I just have to see about that. There's no need to get back. The monster's right behind us. Forward! Stop! Блять! That's why the Nazis cut the lights. These things hate it. Okay, Spartan, a short lesson. Bullets won't cut it here. But since they're afraid of light, let's take the light to them, okay? Now don't you turn that light off! Understand, we're in a world of hurt without it. A cave-in? Ah! Looks like they blew the tunnel up. Well, maybe something on the other side they couldn't stop with bullets. Wait. I feel a draft. There's got to be a way through somewhere. Artyom, help me with this. Shit! Cobwebs all around. Так. These little ones couldn't make all of this. There must be bigger beasts around. Чувак, be careful not to wake them up. Shit! They're close! Wait, Artyom, don't rush! Careful here. Looks clear to me. Let's go. Shit! That's high. Definitely no climbing up this one. Okay. Let's hope the elevator works all right. Yes! Generator online. Clear. Monsieur? Let's take this baby for a ride, huh? So, are we going? What the... Why did it stop? Breakers out or what? Shit. Come on! Блять! They heard us. Ё-моё, we're right in their fucking nest. Shit! That's a lot. It's got the wall! Eat this, bitch! See its belly? That's the only vulnerable spot! Their top armor's just too tough! Okay, Artyom, if we run into one of these things, put your light on it till it flips belly up, you understand? The bastards hate the light more than anything. Come on, follow me. Fucking bitch! Артём! Light! Light, блядь! There you have it, bitch! Phew. Thanks, чувак. One for all, huh? Here! The bridge. I heard about it. Theater shouldn't be far now. Oh, that's high. It's all right, Артём, jump! Let's move! Ah, them again! Hold them off, Артём, I'll try to get us over! Great, this will do! Артём, come help me pull this out! Do like I do. Into the car. Fuck it! Shoot it while it's coming! Here, I'll give you a lift. Shit! Get inside! Go, ahead! Faster, 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 move it! Here! Ready? Let's go! You alright, Артём? Come on! Let's go! Light, there! Let's go! How do you like this, huh? How do you like this, bitches? Whoa. Okay, we're safe here. Wait a minute, Артём, it's bad without the light. Let me make a torch or something. Alright. Light up! Alright, let's go. Shit! Артём! Keep close to me! Get lost! Sure! Sure! You like it? Huh? You like it, bitch? Shit, looks like there's an electric lock. Okay, the wires go... Ah, over there. Hey, look, D'Artagnan. You've got the light. If you follow the wires, there should be a fuse box somewhere. Used to power the gate, but the battery is surely dead now. When you find it, attach your charger to it. Then we'll try to open the door, okay? Oh, that was cool. Genius. Good thinking. Ready? Okay. First up. Follow me.
We're almost at the theater now. The metro entrance should be pretty close. But however small the distance is, we'll have to cover it on the surface. And there, every step you take could well be your last.
Chuvak, we're here. Pull yourself together. We don't have long before nightfall, okay? Okay, with the tunnel collapsed, the only way to reach the escalator down to Theater Station is cross the surface. And trust me, we don't want to be caught out here in the fucking dark. Opa, we're in luck, Artyomich! This place seems lived in. Rangers probably, I don't know. And when there are rangers... Shit! Short on fielders. We'll have to make do. Now come on, take what you need. We're all brothers in the metro. Hey, приятель, I could use a good watch like yours. Knowing how much air you got left is a must, huh? You know, I've heard of things roaming around that even bullets can stop. You have been through some bad shit, I know, but not like what's coming. Artyom, remember, if you want to live, don't drop your guard for an instant, okay? Whoa, that's impressive! I heard about this place. That plane was headed into Moscow when the whole city caught fire. The building where it crashed, that's the entrance to the theater. The ice is thawing up here. It's almost like spring, huh, Artyomich? Maybe we'll live to see the summer. Wait. There's got to be an underground path somewhere around here. The Rangers would never cross the square out in the open. Okay, we could walk down the wing here. Okay, so much for the sun. Those clouds moved in fast. Ё-моё! Rain! Rain! Артём, when was the last time you saw rain? Huh? Ай, бля, это я... Burning through my ears. I'm here! Those clouds moved in fast. Артём, when was the last time you saw it? Ай, бля, radioactive. I almost feel it burning through my glass. There's the crossing. Let's head it there. Hey, приятель. Keep your headlight charged. Watch my back, cover your coordinates. Slowly now. Check for filters, Артём. Want to swap your lens, do it fast. This bastard won't be needing his. Jump for me. Yeah. Think I'm gonna be sick. Right here. I see these comments show the more. Makes me wonder. Let's go out to the light. Check that service room. You okay, чувак? You're all covered with blood. Found a shotgun? Nice. That will come in handy.
Артём, stop! Get down now! Watchman! Ё-моё, huge pack! Storm must be driving them. If there's focus, we'll be ripped to shreds. Ooh, I smell trouble.
Shit! That was close. Okay, Артём, no more tricks like that. Let's get to the plane before another pack comes through. Move it! I've heard stories about this place. Weird shit happens here. Hey, try opening it. I'll give cover. Jammed? Bля, let's try together. Moving. Look, Артём, don't lose your head in here. You understand me? Okay, let's go. One ranger told me this was a flight from Mallorca. Family is returning from vacation, you know? You know, Артём, I've never been to the sea, or even on a plane myself. Yeah, well, wasn't meant to be. I don't know, I feel weird. Чувак, are you seeing this shit too? Артём, what is this? Ё-моё! Look! They're alive!
What the hell was that? Shit! We're losing power! Don't you know that? Tower! Flight 76715 here! We're almost on Friday! Ask them! Shit! The tower's gone! Tola! We're going down! Speed! Instruments are down! I can't get anything! Oh my god! Shit! Shit! What's going on here? Come on! Piece of shit! Black agent started! Switch to take off! We're going down! I wanna die! Don't panic! We're gonna land!
Where?
Breathe! I had to breathe! Smoke! Smoke! Too much smoke! Breathe!
Where?
Artyom, what? Really? If you hadn't woke me, I'd probably have suffocated. Like the others did. Oh, like this one. Like this one, here. Okay, let's get out of this place now. Now! Artyom, go right. I think we'll find the entrance behind the building. Shit, it's evil! Take it down! Coming at you! Someday a creature like you will take me. Not yet, okay? Fucking watchman. As soon as we moved away from the plane, and we were almost there, huh? Get ready. We're moving in from the second floor. The entrance to the theater is round the next corner. We have to move now. Follow me, faster! Come over here. I'm here. Go. Give me a hand. Faster! More are coming! Hurry up! You gotta find the entrance! Above you! Shit! Please, too many of them. We have to ward the station. Get to the escalator. Hurry up, now! Move down, they're still after us. Open up! Open up, блядь, let us in, you bastard! Inside, move!
Like a stroll through the park, huh?
Our short visit to dead Moscow, the phantom of the past, is over. Pavel and I helped each other out again and are returning down to the metro as real partners now. You can't survive the wastelands any other way. But now ahead of us lies a populated station, the theater. It's very close to Polis. If Pavel manages to lead me through the red line guard posts, I'll be home in less than an hour.
Okay, come on in. Sorry about that. Dangerous times, right?